Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Koi. In this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet Supernatural Locks by Darling Kenya. I used not two, 1.5 packs, and the hair is very comfortable, very light. So if interested, keep on watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment or a critique below. Okay, so I thought it would be easy crocheting my back. But it's not. It is not. And I feel like I'm messing up because I can still feel my braids. Like you can see this braid. I'll have to redo this because it has to get in there. But so far I only have 5 pieces done. Whoa. Anyway, continuing. I think I'll do like half the back and then now come and show you guys with the front bit how to crochet because it's easier showing you with the front than the back. So yes, so you're going to put the crochet like right through the section of hair, not at the braid, at the base. So you make sure it goes through like so, and then on the crochet braid there's a loop. If you can see the loop, there's a loop, so you're going to put the loop on the latch bit and then hook the bit like so, close this stuff, and then you're going to pull the crochet hair right through as so, and then don't remove the hair, let it slide to the end bit, and then now you're going to take the thinnest part of that strand and put it and then latch lock, and then now you're going to pull it through the loop like so. So you're going to tighten, make sure it's tight. So we have the braid bit, the crochet bit, and then we have our hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the crochet hook, make sure it's open it, and then you're going to take the crochet hair and try and put this inside like so. It should go inside the hair until you get to the farthest bit. Okay, so you go as far as possible because we want our braid to kind of disappear inside the crochet hair, and then you remove it. Then you take your hair. Okay, make sure you remove it at the base, not at the top. So you remove it like so, and then you take our hair and loop it inside, and then lock. What is that thing? Yeah, lock it inside like so, and then now we're going to pull our hair inside. So you're going to pull and then it will come out like so. So our hair has disappeared inside the crochet braid. So you're going to do that until there is no hair left. Now you're going to go a bit lower and then insert the crochet inside the hair. Do the same thing, push the crochet till where you where the hair came out, and then take the hair, place it inside the crochet pin, and then lock. So you place it inside. Why is it so hard to do on camera? And then lock it and pull the hair through. Okay, so now you see there's no hair left, all the hair is inside the crochet braid. I'm going to do another one so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is our braid, and then we take our hair like so. Our hair has this loop bit, this thing here. So that's where we're going to place our crochet. So you take your crochet, get it inside the hair like so, and then I'll take our crochet braid, place it there, you can see, and then you lock it. Okay, then you pull the crochet braid through, and then you don't remove the crochet braid from the crochet. Now it's open. Take the thinnest part of the crochet braid and place it there, lock, and pull it through the loop. Okay, like so, and then now tighten. You tighten it. Okay, like so. So again, we have the crochet and then our hair. So you take your crochet hook, and then now you place it, place it inside. So you're going to like, wait, you do this. So you go and you go till the farthest parts, because we want our braid to disappear inside here. Okay, so there. Make sure you're going on the bottom side, not the top side, because we don't have a hair to show. And then you take your hair, put it there, and then you lock like so, and then now you pull. So this is the bead that's remaining, but you can see our braid. And then you take it again, the crochet, put it through the hair until you get to where you pull the hair from. So here, and then you latch your hair onto the crochet, you lock and you pull. See, no hair. So yes, I believe that's the simplest way to crochet your hair. This was my first time crocheting hair on myself, and I am loving the results, but next time I'll try and do smaller sections. But for now, I am loving this. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe. Till next time, bye.